So everyone, this is my son Solomon. Say hi. Solomon, say hi. Delete browser history over here. Yo, Solomon's only 2, but he loves dancers, so I'm gonna see. He's never done this before, but he loves. Solomon, B-boy. Go Solomon, go Solomon, go Solomon.